Hello guys, welcome to JR Studio. Over the last few decades, the aeroplane has certainly revolutionized the way we travel. But have you ever noticed that how the aeroplane flies? Absolutely not. So today in this video, we will discuss that how an aeroplane flies scientifically but simply. For this purpose, look at some old flying machines. Now, you should notice at the wings of the flying machine. They have a curved shape. Air pushes the wings in downward directions, while according to Newton's third law of motion, the air also pushes the wings in upward direction with equal and opposite magnitude. As a result, this produces a lift force, which allows the plane to fly off the ground. Even today, the aeroplanes use the same airfoil technology. The wings of the plane have highly aerodynamic shape. A thrust force is being required to move the plane forward, which is being produced by the turbo of the plane. As discussed earlier, when the turbo provides the thrust force and the plane moves forward, due to the shape of the wings, it produces a lift force which allows the plane to take off. Now let's have a closer look towards the wings of the plane. During the takeoff, the flap and the slats of the wings are extended downwards. This increases the wing area and curvature of the foil, so more air is deflected downward. As a result, at a relatively very low speed, a greater lift force can be applied to the plane, so the plane takes off. Finally, when the lift force is greater than the gravitational force, the plane takes off. When the plane is in the air, we can navigate the plane the way we want with the help of three different wing attachments. Now assume you just have to descend the plane. For this purpose, just lower the elevators as shown. This will descend the air in downward direction. As a result, the lift force will produce a movement in the plane. Now, to move the plane in upward direction, just reverse the direction. Now, to change the direction of the plane, we just use the help of the aileron. Make one aileron upward and one downward. This will produce a turn in the plane, as shown. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe JR Studios.